Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and we just received this 2023 Scout 215 Dorado. I'm going to take you through some of the features. This boat is available. It's in the midnight blue hull color. Trim tab standard on this boat. Got the sea deck flooring on the two swim platforms and entering the cockpit. This boat is powered by a 150 horsepower Yamaha XCA digital throttle and shift motor. Making our way inside. Got a closable and lockable transom door. New cockpit seating on this model. Bench seat to port with backrest. Observer seat to starboard with backrest. Your traditional stern seat for two. It stows away nicely. Easy access to the bilge area. Battery pumps are located. The battery boxes, rather. Live well is on the port side aft. This boat has fresh water as an option. Fiberglass back bucket seats at the helm and for the observer, with the bolsters that raise and lower. Very comfortable, very sporty seating on this boat. 9-inch Garmin, our digital gauges from Yamaha, LED indicators for those trim tabs, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. This boat has upgraded JL speakers as well. 2 up front, 2 in the cockpit on either side. We do have a porta potty option on this boat. Behind the block-off door is access to the battery switch and a lot of good storage space here as well. On the starboard side console. You can close that block-off door, close the windshield, protect you from the elements or the wind on cooler running days. Got an optional bow filler cushion here. It sits on some chocks. Storage beneath bow cushions on port and starboard. These fold down, gives you a nice lounge space. Armrests that come down. 4 cup holders total on each corner of the bow area. And then we've got our anchor storage forward. You can also access the anchor line beneath a hatch underneath that cushion. And that is a look at Scout's 215 Dorado. If you have any information or questions about this boat, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Always check us out online at MarineMax.com, and be sure to come by our store at 142 Sportsman Island Drive off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526, big yellow building right off the highway. And again, this is Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.